In this video, I will be showing you how to fade an image in Canva. Let's get started. Starting on the main Canva homepage, I move my cursor to the top left corner of the dashboard and click on the purple Create a Design button. A menu opens up with search options and preset canvas sizes. And under the frequently used list, I select YouTube thumbnail to open a new blank design canvas. Once the editor finishes loading, I am ready to start building my project. Over on the left navigation panel, I click on the Uploads tab to access my personal library of uploaded media files. I scroll down through my photo library until I find my main background image, which is a family graduation photo. I click on it to insert it directly onto the blank canvas. To make it fit the layout, I select the image, grab a corner handle, and drag it outward to scale the photo until it completely covers the canvas background. Next, I go back to the Uploads tab on the left sidebar to select my second photo, the portrait image of the graduate that I want to fade and blend into the scene. Clicking on it places it right on top of the main background photo. To locate the fading feature, I click on the Apps tab in the left sidebar navigation. In the search bar at the top, I type in Image Blender and press Enter. From the search results, I select the Image Blender app icon to open its features. Inside the Image Blender panel on the left side, I click on Fade to reveal the available fade tools, which include linear, radial, and brush. I select radial, which overlays an interactive circular gradient tool right over the portrait photo on my canvas. I drag the center handle of the ring to position the radial fade neatly over the subject's face. On the left panel, I adjust the strength slider to around 73 to create a smooth gradient transition. After adjusting the control handles, I click the purple Save button at the bottom left. Canva processes the edit and places the newly faded photo right back onto the canvas. I click and drag the portrait photo across the screen to test different positions, resizing it slightly using the corner handle until it blends nicely into the design. I finally place it neatly in the upper left corner. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to fade image in Canva.